Okay guys, today is the 29th of April. Okay, so market opened my time here 7:30. Didn't do anything. Okay, we had a momentum line, didn't get the trade. Okay, so then it went on the 7:47 in the morning. Then we had a signal long, momentum line, long winner. Then we had a scalper winner. Then we had a scalper winner. It overshooted. Okay, but it was a winner. Okay, so then we went short with a momentum line to the downside, short. Okay, so it was a winner, and that's it, guys. Hey, it did this short did $325, so it overshoot it. Okay, so that means that the stop wasn't triggered at the right price, so it overshoot it and it cut a little bit more. So this is good if it's in your favor. It's not good if it's not in your favor. Look at this one. The market just jumped to the upside and got the target here. So we did 525 in this trade long here momentum in the scalper. Okay, so we're up 650 and 575. So we're done for the day, guys. That's it. That's it. Okay, so then we have this short, but we didn't take it because the market already, the program already made the profit. Then we have this short, was a winner again. Then we had this long, was a winner. Long was a winner. Okay, so there goes the market. You see, market is ticking today. Okay, guys. So thanks for watching. Couldn't make it, guys. I was in another thing. I'm just one person, so I'm in many things at the same time. So thanks for watching, guys. Okay.